Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in the Mill Creek area. And this is a lawn that's had a hard summer. It's got mold damage and a bunch of different issues going on with it. The client here has worked very, very hard on his lawn and still did not get the results that he wanted. So he's brought me in to help him out. So today I aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn. And then I brought in a bunch of amendment, top dressed with an amendment. And I'm going to bounce this yard back here. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at this property and see how it's doing. This is just a beautiful time of day to shoot a video. And this gorgeous looking property here. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is October 7th, and I'm looking at a lawn here that I had aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And I think back right around September 13th, I think I did this. And I put on several bags of a soil amendment. This lawn was having some tough times, and it's still fighting with some mold damage and things like that. I've got ongoing mold problems happening, and but the damage is a lot less visible now. And I'm glad to see that. And this is right here on the golf course. And I'm working on the residential property here. And I just want to come by and document my work afterwards. This is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.